Hey everyone! Rocket, are you looking for a powerful cloud hosting platform that won't break the bank while you're testing or launching your next big project? Then you're going to love this. DigitalOcean is now offering a free 60-day trial with $200 in credit. Just click the link in the description below to sign up and activate your free trial right now. No hidden fees, no commitment required. With this free trial, you can explore all of DigitalOcean's features, from spinning up a droplet in seconds to using managed databases, scalable storage, and even their app platform for automated deployments. This offer is perfect for developers, startups, and students looking to learn or test apps in a real cloud environment without spending a dime. Plus, DigitalOcean is known for its clean UI, fast setup times, and super helpful documentation, ideal for beginners and pros alike. Magnifying glass tilted left. According to the latest trends in search data, terms like DigitalOcean Free Credit 2025, Cloud Hosting for Developers, and Best Free VPS Trial are skyrocketing in search volume, so don't miss your chance to take advantage of this while it's hot. So go ahead, hit that link in the description, claim your $200 free credit, and explore everything DigitalOcean has to offer for 60 full days. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you have any questions, and of course, share this with a friend who's also looking to start building in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!